Gaia Group of Companies is a principally conglomerate established in Malaysia, which is involved in manufacturing and packaging solution, where we provide green technology as a key to drive Malaysia into a sustainable high-growth economy. We serve and provide quality products and superior services through our company's businesses. Our vision is to become a purpose-driven leader in producing safe and value-added products in a sustainable approach for mankind. And our mission is to realize a meaningful purpose in producing products that are safe for consumption and protecting the best interests of the people and the planet Earth. At Gaia Plas Berhad, we offer manufacturing and quality packaging solution for plastic products under Gaia Pack, where we customize our packaging according to our customers' needs. For Gaia Care, we provide packaging solutions for healthcare, food and beverages with quality and superior services. We also have Gaia Digital. We provide a digital platform selling system for the brand owner to follow the uptrend of the global market needs. Gaia GreenTech Sdn Berhad mainly focuses on green technology, where we aim to reduce the dependency on fossil-based plastic and reducing carbon footprint, providing a drop-in solution for plastic manufacturers to achieve sustainable credentials such as our e-gel, a biohybrid polymer resin derived from the combination of palm STEARIN and polyolefin. This is the first resin plastic in the world that employs palm STEARIN in the production of plastic products and provides a drop-in solution for plastic manufacturers to achieve sustainable credentials. In future development, we have another in-house brand name to do research on, like Biotic, focusing on cultured meat technology and vaccine development. Greenery, more into organic food and agriculture and forestry. Renew, looking on water filtration and purification and also in renewable energy. And lastly, Compost, focusing on compostable material. For Palms Pier Sdn Berhad, our main activities include the trade of crops and fruits from worldwide and selling, purchase, or manufacturing suitable products. We also offer our in-house brand, OEM, and tolling service for cooking oil. For Oasis Store, we collaborate with local companies to build a digital platform for PNCLICKS, which is a platform that offers online shopping. And lastly, at Gaia Plas Sdn Berhad, we provide complete solutions for 3D printing and services for fully assembled 3D printers and replicating rapid prototype, RepRap, spare parts, consumables such as filament and resins, and also printing services. We also have event space for video conferences, webinars, or offline seminars. This 3D technology will give us additive manufacturing in our production value. In our business, we believe sustainability is no longer about doing less harm. It's about doing more good, said Johan Seitz. Visit our website and follow our social media for current event updates. Thank you.